everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here. Welcome. This video is going to be a little bit different in that I really don't ever share preparing my Patreon mail to go out, but I wanted to show you kind of my process and what I do, and then just let you see a little sneak peek of what their crafty kits are going to be this month and what their handmade gift is for PenPal mail. So if you're interested in my Patreon, you can check it out. The link's below. There's all kinds of tiers where you can either get PenPal mail, get PenPal and a crafty kit, or you can just be a part of our community, which is really cool. I also share printables and all kinds of fun stuff. So let me get in and show you what I'm doing as I'm packing these up, and hope you enjoy it. All right, I've started already. This month's PenPal mail for everyone will be a floating pocket, and you can see I added embellishments, I've added some words, an altered card, whether it's an index card or whatever I had on hand. And so then I stamped them on the back, uniquely made by Cindy A. Lewis. So these are already done, so I've got some more to finish. And then also, if you're in a higher level, upper level tier, you get a crafty kit. So the crafty kit this month is going to have some tags. It's got some different ephemera and stickers, and then a couple of old, antique, vintage, whatever you want to call them, vintage sheets from a dictionary page to make their own floating pocket, another tag and a paper, and sometimes I'll just throw in more. So this little crafty kit will make them at least 2 floating pockets. So those are for the upper level tiers. So what I do is I just get all my supplies together. I have already created and vintagized my pockets. So now I just decorate them, and I enjoy doing this part. So I just look for different things in my stash to decorate, and I just put something on the back, usually some stickers. Let's see, I've got some stuff over here. I'll put some papers, like this sticker here with some music, and these tickets, and sometimes I just stuff things into the pocket itself. So we've got some music here, so let's go with this, and I'll just tear it. I like the torn look, so we'll just go over this with some of the Distress Oxide. So I just try to decorate it up. You've probably done this before. So we'll set that aside there and use my glue. So this is just the process of having fun, creating, and making some fun pieces for my PenPal. So I decorate that. We'll just put this one in. This is another ephemera. So we'll just take this one and add it. And they're all a little bit different. So they're all uniquely made and crafted by me, so it's really fun. And then I've got this particular sticker here that's music. I always pull them up with a pen or a pokey tool or something, and we'll decorate that up, and that looks good. And then I usually get some words to go here. This is upside down because of the way that it created it, so I'll get some kind of words to go on there, like "You are enough," and I'll just cover that up, and you can leave the number upside down though. And then I try to put something here too. So like I said, I just look through my stash. I find things that I like that would kind of go with the whole theme of it. Let's see, we'll put that there, and got all kinds of fun stuff in here. So it takes me a little bit. Then I always put some things in the pockets, like that one will go over here. And I've got some more music. That's cool. So it's just a fun thing to decorate and add my own little something, creativity, inspiration to this gift, this PenPal mail. So gonna put this ticket here and wrap that There we go. And then what I also need is I need a card to go in here. So I'll get a card, and I have some old Rolodex cards. These are actually really old Rolodex cards. They're not like new and they look old. They are old. So then I just take, like for instance, this sheet music, and we'll just go around it, make sure it looks really aged. And then I'm just gonna put that on here. And I use glue, so if you have questions, just ask away and I will respond to them on my chat in the comment section. And then let's see, let's take this one. Do you guys enjoy your the videos that we've been putting up lately with altered guest checks and that kind of thing? These are really fun to do. And then this needs something here, so I've got some words here. So I have all these little things to add, which are really fun. I like encouraging one. A journey begins with 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So we'll go with that one. And we'll just add it to this one. So this is a really fun part of me getting to add something special for my Patreon members. And so this is a fun gift to send out. So then I have this one also, and I have this other half, so I'll just use it. So do you guys like vintage, or what do you enjoy? Just curious. So we're just gonna put this one here, and I need a flower on this one. Where are my flowers? Let's see. I have a lot of flowers. Okay, these are really cool stickers. They are actually Temu. If you didn't see my online shopping security, you might want to check that video out. But I love these stickers. They're really, really beautiful. And then let's see, we need to put something here. So again, we'll put some words, because these are upside down. And of course you can decorate it however you like. So I'll just put some of these fun stickers in here. And let's see, this will fit. Yep. So we'll just take this sticker and carry the music theme. And it's kind of sideways, so then we'll take one of these. Let's do, you know what, oh, wait, let's do a rub-on. Have you guys done rub-ons much? I found these fun rub-ons, and these were actually from Dollar Tree. So we're just going to cut one off. I'll show you how easy it is to adhere. And if you haven't seen these, check them out. That's a good deal, Dollar Tree. So rub-ons, just put them on like that. And you can take scissors, you can take foam folding tool, a scoring tool, anything with kind of a stick, like a popsicle stick, craft stick. And then you just pull that backing off and it adheres. So really cool thing there. Also, I like to include some ephemera, so it just depends on which one I'm doing. So we'll just stick that one in there. Now this one needs a card as well. So this one I'm going to use just vintage. This is an index card. So I make them all similar, but they're each individual. And then we'll just put some dictionary page on there. And I found that this dictionary page is a little bit wide, so I do trim it down, go over the edges with my Distressed Oxide ink. This is a vintage photo, if I didn't mention that earlier. I do like the browns mostly, unless there's a theme that I'm going for. And then we've got this pretty music, so we can put that on there. This is a sticker. Put that on there. And I'm just going to put it at the top here. So, and then I'm going to take another flower. I love these flowers, by the way, if I didn't say that already enough. And we're going to put that on there. Right here. I love how they show through the background. So anyway, so that is what I do. And each month is different. This one I've already stamped, but each month is different. So I also do little cards to thank them for being a member and explain all of these, what the PenPal mail is, and then what the crafty kit is also. So it's really fun, and I hope you enjoyed watching me prep. Have a great day. I'll talk to you soon.